Hello viewers, in this video I will be updating you on Julius Malema's message when he was congratulating Dr. William Samuel Ruto. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video.
On Ruto, as the EFF, we congratulated him, and we think that the Kenyans must accept the results. It is what it is. With highly contested elections and with such an outcome, which is very close, you are likely to have people who are not satisfied. It comes with the nature of the game. But Kenyans must prioritize Kenya and must protect Kenya and must protect democracy. They must love their country more than loving individuals, because we cannot destroy a country on the basis of this or that individual who hasn't won elections. Odinga has been trying. I think it's time for him to throw a towel and try a different candidate. Perhaps there could be a different outcome, but this is the fifth time. It can't be done beyond this. He needs to accept and move on. We